Use the scraping card to scrape the resin tray before each print. Check if there is any remaining residue. If so, go to Settings, click Clean Raw Material to remove the excess residue. The resin bottle must be shaken 3 to 5 minutes before each print. Close the lid of an opened resin bottle. Store at a temperature between 68 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and humidity at 50%. Maximum storage time, 7 days. Unopened material should be stored at 50 to 82.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 28 degrees Celsius. The maximum storage time is 1 year.